Hello everyone. In today's video, we got a real time saver for you. If you are someone who's tired of manually copy and pasting data from multiple Excel spreadsheet, this tutorial is here for you to make your day a whole lot easier. We are going to show you how effortlessly consolidate data from multiple Excel files into one. Let's get started. For this example, I have three different team members' production data spreadsheet, each of it with which has a production transaction, and just giving you an example of the template. So each Excel consists of 20 transaction, and but the header remains same for all of the three. That is the only condition how we can consolidate multiple Excel into one. And likewise, I have 20 transactions stored into each of these Excels, right? Now I want to consolidate all the three into one. So let's get started. So to consolidation, I'm creating a new Excel called consolidation. And now what I'm going to do from here. So from here, it is very interesting. So the moment you open Excel, you see a lot of option on the header. So click on the data. Once you click on the data, you can see on your left hand side something called get data. So the moment you click on the drop down, you can see multiple option. From here, you need to choose from file. So from again, the moment you click from file, you can see a lot of option from Excel, CSV goes on. I want to import the data from folder. So click from folder. The moment you click from folder, so now you have to choose the folder from your data source, correct? So since I know the data, I'm just clicking the data from here, 93. I'm selecting the data, click open. So now Excel is asking, do you want to consolidate all of these three Excel into one sheet? And then it is asking, all the information. So you need to agree or disagree to this. If you disagree, cancel. If you agree, then now we need to move on to the next step. So if you look at the bottom, you have multiple options like combine, load, transform, data, cancel. For now, we are not going to get into any of other things than combine. So now select combine, click on drop down. Within the drop down menu, you can see combine and load. Please click combine and load. Again, Excel is asking from all of the three Excel, which sheet you want to take the data from. So I have stored data only in sheet 1. So select sheet 1. In case if you have multiple sheets within which you have a data stored, you need to select the correct sheet name and then click OK. Excellent. So now you can see that all your 60 transactions are loaded into one single sheet. The formula remains the same even if you want to download or consolidate production for 20 member, 50 member, or 100 member of your team members. This is the same formula you can apply, and you can load all the data into one single sheet. So you have successfully consolidated data from multiple Excel spreadsheets into one without tedious copy pasting. And this is definitely a game changer for someone who's dealing with multiple Excel on daily basis. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving tips and tricks. If you have any questions or needed further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this video.